Alrighty, y'all. As you can see, we have ice. Yes, not walkable ice, but we have ice. And whoa, I just saw some bluegills. We're gonna do some pan fishing today. Hold up. I did not bring much with me today. Just chartreuse scope and a jig head. That's pretty much it. Oh man, it's been so long since I've done any pan fishing, so this should be fun. Ultralight rod, 4-pound test. Let's see, right? Let's see how active these fish are. Let's try right here. Oh, you can see my lure move. Little guy attacked it. They might want meat, which I don't have. But let's see if we catch them on plastic. Oh, there's a giant carp down there. What the heck? Just seen it. Wow, he's massive. The downfall of light bait, like waxies, is that those little ones will just tear it up so fast. You go through them like lightning. So plastic kind of push those little ones away, and hopefully the big ones will commit to it, you know. Oh, something big just swam off. There's gotta be carp. Why are there carp here? It's so weird. Got him. Yes. We got him, boys. Just vertical jigging. It's a better one. Not huge, but upgrade from the last one. Oh, I feel so good. Nice little 5-incher. Okay. Maybe we gotta take the bobber off. See ya, buddy. Yep, just standing behind this wall right here. Got him. Haha. Yes. Figured them out. They're not big, but they're fun. Just getting the ice fishing jig warm up going, you know. Let's see, there's another one. There's got to be some big ones in here, like decent ones. Yeah. Whoa, look at the color on this thing, dude. They're like dark leoparish. That's cool. Not a big dude, but some cool colors. Got him. That's a nice one. Wow. Yeah. Dude, that's a thick dude. Not a 9-incher, but it's much appreciated. Look at that. That is cool. Alrighty. Like I said, they're so dark, man. It's awesome looking. So if I get my phone here. Yeah, we'll let it go. Alright, see ya, buddy. Nice. Got him. Yeah. Dude, this is fun. It's like ice fishing, but from shore. Relax. There you go. Throw it out there so I don't disturb the school. Keep feeling like I see like a giant figure out in here somewhere, man. It's throwing me off. I need a GoPro. Let's try the regular color. Like the, you know, neutral color right here. You can never go wrong with this. Smoked. Oh, that's a big ass musky, dude. Oh my gosh. Bro, that muskie's huge. You want to take my bait? Oh, dude, the muskie's massive. Oh my god, my heart. Did you guys see that? You got one. See, he comes after it. Just want to see if it comes after it. Watch it shows up and try to grab it. Oh yeah, you got him. Oh, it's a nice one. It's a runner. Oh, jeez. Got your fin, boy. Nice. Not giant, but you know, much appreciated size. That's for sure. I'll take him for these odd days that we've been having. Just put it this way, guys. Today is 42 degrees. Yeah. I don't know what's going on, but we definitely need some cold weather. We'll be doing this for the rest of the year. Jeez, I didn't even cast it to the water. Goodness. Yeah, got him. Yeah, they're getting better. A little bit. Still fun. Feisty dude. Oh, it popped off. I watched him eat it too. There we go. Oh yeah. Relax. Relax, I know. I feel the same way, buddy. Alright. A pretty fish going back. Oh jeez. Oh, good thing I missed. Oh, I thought I hit the freaking concrete. Yeah. Oh, it's a crappie, dude. Let's go. Yes. Heck yeah. That's what I'm talking about right there. It's small, but still, it's a crappie. Anytime you catch a crappie like that, mission accomplished. Love it. There we go. Oh, it's much better. Yeah. There's a dandy bluegill. Much better fish. Nice back. Oh, yes. Oh, dude, it came out of nowhere. Oh, the bigger ones are suspended. Relax, chill. Yeah, the big ones are way up in the water column. Nice, good to know. And they're like crushing it too when they come up. There we go. Oh, that's a nice one. Yes. Much better fish. Yeah. Oh, jeez, relax. That is a much better fish for today. As you guys can see here. Oh! Alright, here we go. See ya, dude. The hell's a nice one that came up for it. Spit out so quick. Oh, yeah. You almost had him. Oh, there we go. That's a nice one. Look. Oh, yes. Haha. It's a dandy one. Finally. After like 100. Sheesh. It's a nice bluegill. You got a nose piercing. Alright, guys. Finally a worthy fish. Going back. Head first. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was random, but fun at the same time because we're getting ice. As you guys saw in the video, it's not safe to walk on, so do not go out there. I don't recommend it. With that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. It was just a fun, mini session. If you can find open water, panfish are biting, so get out there, get them. Stay tuned, and I'll see you guys out on the water. Peace.